The President, please be seated. The court is now back in session. As scheduled, the Chamber is going to hear the testimonies of the witness So Tương. However, due to some technical problem in the proceedings, the Chamber has decided to defer hearing this witness. His testimonies will be heard in the afternoon session instead. And before we proceed, the Chamber would like to make an oral decision on the right to remain silent. The trial chamber notes the motion involving Ieng Sari and Khieu Samphan's right to remain silent, documents E164 and E174. It further notes that Nuon Chea, after having made statements allegedly relevant to the first segment of the trial, has also indicated that he might exercise his right to remain silent. Pursuant to Article 35 New G of the ECCC law, an accused shall not be compelled to testify against himself or to confess guilt. Therefore, an accused cannot be compelled to answer questions put to him. However, in assessing the guilt or innocence of the accused in its verdict, the Chamber shall consider all of the evidence that has been put before it and subject to examination, including the testimony of the accused and manner in which he testifies. In this regard, and where the accused elects to alternate between silence and giving testimony, this may be noted by the Chamber when assessing his credibility. The relevant international jurisprudence indicates that adverse inference from selective decisions to remain silent may be drawn. In any case, the Chamber shall not base a finding of guilt exclusively on an adverse inference from or drawn from silence. This is the decision on the right to remain silent by the accused persons. Next, the Chamber will proceed in camera session. We are not hearing the testimonies of the witness as the Chamber has indicated. We are now coming into the closing session concerning Internal Rule 28, Sub-Rules 8 and 9. The Chamber would like to have all the issues properly resolved before we can proceed to hearing the testimonies. of the witness. So the following session will be in camera. And the in-camera session will last until lunch break. The public and parties are now advised to be informed. Court officer instructed to draw and close the curtain, and AV booth officers are instructed to ensure that the audio is disconnected from to the public gallery, to the public, and the public is advised to be dismissed from the public gallery, since the chamber is now having the in-camera session. The President, security personnel are now instructed to escort or to just usher the public to outside of the public gallery.